Hi friends! Today we'll meet letter C.
Hello! Sorry, I've got a cold. See? Let's learn things about me. Like how I'm pronounced. I'm a little special. I like to sound different depending on the letters around me. When I'm with A, O, or U, my sound is hard. Listen. Words like cake, cow, cup have this sound. But then, when I'm with I or E, I sound like this. Sounds like ice, city, circle. Congrats! You've got it! Okay, I've also got a secret. Shh! Come closer. When my friend letter K is next to me, it keeps me sounding strong. Always. We're a great team. Together, we sound like this. Congrats! Okay, let's check out how to write me. It's super easy. We start up here and curve carefully to the left. Like this. Cool! There you go. Oh, it looks like a wave. Now let's try smaller caps. It's the same, but smaller. We start the same way, curve it, and done. Try at home with pen and paper. It's super easy. Let's look at words I'm in. Color starts with C. What's your favorite color? The first letter in cinema is C. I bet you like the cinema. What about coffee? What letter does it start with? C. A cup of coffee for me, please. Now have a look at this word. Cook. Hello, Carlos. Can't wait to eat your food. See you later. Time for singing. Carlos, come and help us out.
Carlos bakes my favorite cakes with
Cups of coffee and tons of toffee.
Carlos bakes my favorite cakes with
Cups of coffee and tons of toffee.
Hello friends! Today I present the last letter in the alphabet. Letter Z!
So nice to see you! I'm Z! Would you like to learn things about me? Let's start with my sound. Repeat after me. I can't hear you. There we go! Thanks! Now let's have a look at how to write me. Like this. We start here, we draw a straight line over here. Now a line down and back here. And the last thing is another line to the right again. What do you think I look like this time? I know, a trampoline. Now let's try the smaller caps. We draw up a little, then draw over here. We go down here and finish over there. So well done. Great. Now I look like a road. Try it home with pen and paper. It's super easy. Now let's look at words I'm in. Zoo starts with the letter Z. Have you seen all the animals? Zumba also starts with a Z. Whoa, Zari's a good dancer. How many Z's are in the word zigzag? 1 and 2. Super. What about zone? What letter does it start with? Z, yes! Good job! Zoe, want to come and dance?
Zoe's Zumba class is new. It is happening at the zoo. Zebras dancing like they're crazy, but the pandas are too lazy.
Quack. Roar.
But the pandas are too lazy.
Quack. Roar.
but the pandas are too lazy. Zoe's Zumba class is new. It is happening at the zoo. Zebras dancing like they're crazy, but the pandas are too lazy.
Roar.
But the pandas are too lazy.
Roar.
But the pandas are too lazy. You've just learned a new letter, but there are many more. Click on more videos to learn about them and subscribe to Smile and Learn channel to keep up with the new adventures.